In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into ClickUp with ease. Whether you're transferring your project plans, tasks, or simply moving existing information from one tool to another, this process is designed to be as effortless as possible. By the end of this video, you'll have all your necessary data neatly organized in ClickUp, ready to be managed efficiently. So, let's dive in. To begin, it's essential that you're logged into your ClickUp account. This might seem a bit obvious, but it's a crucial step to ensure you have access to all the features we're about to explore. Once you're logged in, our journey starts right at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you should see the name of your workspace, which is essentially your command center in ClickUp. Next to this, there's a little gear icon, that's the settings button, our portal to customizing your workspace. Now that you've located the gear icon, go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a new view, presenting several lists on the bar. We're interested in the Import and Export section. By selecting Import and Export, you'll open a door to a host of options that allow you to bring your data into ClickUp. It's pretty straightforward once you find this tool. In the following step, you'll be greeted with a selection of choices on where you can import your data from. Here, ClickUp offers flexibility and convenience for different needs. If your data is stored locally on your computer, perhaps as a spreadsheet or document, you can import directly from these local files. Simply follow the prompts to upload your files, and ClickUp will seamlessly integrate the data for you. Alternatively, if you're transitioning from another application, ClickUp simplifies this process as well. You'll see a list of various applications from which you can import data directly. This is particularly useful if you're shifting from another project management tool and want to keep all your progress intact. Just select your application from the list, follow the instructions, and watch as the data moves into ClickUp, ready to be organized exactly as you need it. And just like that, your data is now part of your ClickUp workspace. You've successfully imported your tasks and information, which are now ready for you to organize and manage with just a few additional clicks. This flexibility and ease of use is what makes ClickUp a powerful tool for any project manager or team. So go ahead, explore the possibilities, and transform how you work with your data in ClickUp. Thank you for joining me in this process. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance as you continue to make the most out of ClickUp's capabilities.